What's up, Storm Nation? Let's check out the brand new Equinox. New cover, new core, new pretty ball, smells like blueberry crumble. I'm excited. So let's dive into it. A1S Pearl cover, Solarian AI core with an all-new asymmetric core design. The cylinders in this new core each serve an important purpose in making the ball react the way that it does. From the largest giving the ball the ability to rev up quickly, to the smaller one giving it down lane rotational energy. Overall, this core is going to show us tumble and control through the body of the lane with a strong kick off the spot down lane. This ball is going to be a special one. Let's check it out. As always on lane 1, we have out a shorter medium pattern. Clean through the fronts, strong in the mid lane, but still stores all of its energy for an aggressive down lane response. You're going to see here just how quick this ball really is as I send one out way right early. As soon as it comes off the end of the pattern, it's going absolutely sideways. So this tells me I need to be steeper with my angles to create hold. So I'm going to move a little bit left here, keeping my break point out to the right down lane. I see this ball being very clean, control the mid lane, and a ton of drive. You can really see right away what Storm is explaining with the core shape. It gets the ball to rev up quickly and have a ton of energy down lane at the pins. You can see through the series of shots my best line is steeper angles through the fronts. On ones I get too up the lane in front of me, it tries to stay on line thanks to the cover, but it still fights going high with how quick it changes direction down lane. The ones I get out to the right too wide, due to the rotational energy down lane, it still comes back and hits the pocket. When I'm competing, I always want to know which direction a bowling ball is going to give me the most room to miss in. In a perfect world, we aren't missing either direction, but we're all humans and misses happen. Knowing which way gives you the most forgiveness will help you line up and make quicker decisions. I would say this ball gives me a few boards to the right to still have some recovery, over if I were to keep it up in front of me too much, it would for sure go high. Overall in lane 2, we have a longer medium pattern. So we're going to have some straighter angles, more in the middle of the lane rather than out closer to the gutter, but I'm still seeing the same shape with this ball. Very clean, rolly mid lane, big pop through the pins. On these fresh conditions, if I'm a little steep through the fronts, the ball goes a little too long, and if I get it up the lane, it's very angular off the end of the pattern. Let's bowl some more and see how it looks after some transition. But hold on, pause that and rewind. Check out this shot. I didn't even notice this as I was bowling. It wasn't until I was editing that I saw what had happened. Can you tell what pin this is? Pretty crazy, right? Okay, back to the Equinox. If I were to use this ball on this particular pattern this early on, for me, I would put the slightest amount of surface on it, as I do with most pearl balls, just to give it a little bit of teeth to help see the lane and help my lower rev rate. This helps give me a little bit of early read and smooths out the reaction overall. I think this ball is the perfect go-to for medium patterns, which is what we bowl on the most frequently. Therefore, I could definitely see this being a staple in any bag. I would specifically go to this piece when I'm looking for clean, control, and a quick change of direction down lane. I think we're going to see a lot of honor scores from this new piece once it hits the lanes on February 7th. Be sure to check it out at a pro shop near you.